In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily check who uses your Instagram account and how to secure it. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and the first step, open up Instagram app. Make sure you are signed into your Instagram account and then tap right here to head over to your Instagram profile page. Then tap at these three lines, select Settings and Privacy. At the very top, tap at Account Center. That's where you need to tap at Password and Security. And that's where you can easily find where you are logged in. On the next step, select your Instagram profile and it will show you all the account login activity. In this list, you can find all the devices that are currently having access to your Instagram account. And if you want to log out your account from a particular devices, tap at Select Devices to log out. Then select the devices and tap at that button. That's how we can easily log out from all the unwanted devices. But if you suspect that someone else knows your password and can use it to log back into your account, you need to change your Instagram password. And to do that, we need to go back to Password and Security. And that's where we can easily find Change Password. We need to tap on it, select our Instagram profile. And that's where, first off, we need to enter our current password at the first field, and then we need to create new one, and in the last text field we need to confirm it. Keep in mind that your password must be at least 6 characters long and should include a combination of numbers, letters, and special characters. To continue, then tap at Change Password. That's how we can easily secure our Instagram account to prevent someone from getting access to it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.